Time for some more entertainment, and here's Ronald LePrade.
Me and Romeo ain't never been friends. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I'll sing it to you time again. Oh, Casanova, Casanova, oh, Casanova, Casanova. Every man deserves a good woman. I want you to be my wife. I'm so much better spent today. A woman like you in my life. Just let me hold you. Saying what's inside, I wanna hold you, babe. Just let me squeeze you. Don't you know that I'll get down on my knees for you, babe? You see, I'm a young Casanova. Me and Romeo ain't never been friends. Friends, oh, y'all. Can't you see how much I really love you? And I'll sing it to you time again. Whoa, bye, 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 bye. Every time I wanna see you, I can't find the words to tell you so. I love, I love, I love, I love, I love you, baby. And I just got to let you know, baby. Now when I told you, girl, I'm an average guy, you seem to know just how I really feel. Cause I can't let you go. I want you, I need you to stand right here with me. Girl, I never knew love until you came along. Casanova, tell me what to say. Casanova, I can't let you get away. Casanova, tell me what to do. I ain't no Casanova, I only wanna be with you. I'm a young Casanova. Me and Romeo ain't never been friends. Friends, can't you see how much I really love you? And I'll sing it to you time again. Whoa, bye, 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 Casanova. I can't let you get away now, baby. Oh, bye, Casanova. Really won't be with you, yeah. Oh, bye, bye, bye.
Ooh, I love a bit of funk.
1989 Winter NAMM International, the National Association of Music Merchants. They put on one spectacular trade show.
Nation. And when you got so, that's just not enough. You gotta know what the things when times are tough. Like how to find a cool job, paying good money in the show. In case they life show ain't funny. You don't move your body, but you're sitting around. Don't look for exercise, gotta put your foot down. Got your own style and yourself to prove. Chill out, get funky to the real good groove. 'Cause if you just believe, motivation. I'm not chicken. I'm talking motivation. If you just believe, if you just believe in motivation, motivation. I'm talking motivation. I'm not chicken. I said you better believe it. Come on and get motivated. I'm talking motivation. You, yeah.
So you were with Artie Joe in about 87, you left that group?
Yeah, that's right, we did.
You went out on your own. What prompted that?
Just so that we could do our own music, really.
Yeah.
You know.
And how would you describe your own music sound?
Bit of a mixture, really.
Yeah.
I mean, we can we're not sort of stuck in the funk thing.
Yeah.
We'll go sort of away from it and do classical if we have to, you know, just whatever we feel is
Comfortable
good to
doing,
us.
you know. We like a whole variety of styles of music, from reggae right through to funk, soul, blues.
Yeah.
We try and incorporate those elements into our sound.
And you're both really into songwriting too, so I suppose you choose a kind of music that suits the song that you've written. We had a song competition on the show, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Is it hard for you to write songs?
For me, it can be. I find some things you can work forever on them and it doesn't work out, and then some things you can write in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And they're the best, you know.
All depends. I reckon it's a mood thing too.
I've got my glamorous assistant Simon here. He's also from Defection.
Hello.
You've won this absolutely superlative range of hair care products, darling.
Thanks.
Thank you, Simon. So, have
all
you
right.
got lots of hair? Tony and Simon of Defection.
Joy.
Did you know they used to be an Artie show?
Yep.
Now, boys, if you pick the phones up again, I think James has got a question for you.
James, how's it?
Oh, good.
Good.
How long have you been together as a band?
Oh, I guess we've been together about 2 years, wouldn't you say, Tony?
No, about 2 years.
Yeah. About 2 years, James.
Do you have other jobs besides singing?
Yeah, we do. Yeah.
I paint houses, James.
I sell keyboards.
Oh,
So if
yeah?
you need your house painted,
Or if you need a keyboard.
How about a hand for Simon Lynch and Tony T from Defection? Hey, it's really neat to have you guys here. Now, I've known you for a few years. We started off on the old cabaret club scene together. How did that influence your music?
Well, South Auckland is the capital of funky music in New Zealand, as you well know.
Watch it, All Blacks.
So, yeah, we started off there and we got the beat from there and just carried it on, brought it on through.
So why a cover now?
Why cover? Well, the Jerry Rafferty song. It's a good song. Yeah. Good song.
Funked it up and
Yeah. My man Tony had a great idea to remake it, so yeah.
This guy can sing, I'll tell you,
Damn
he
right.
can sing.
Oh, yes, I'm stuck in the middle with you. And I'm wondering what it is I should do. It's true to keep your smile from my face. 'Cause I'm throwing, I'm all over the place. Clowns to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am, stuck in the middle with you. Well, you started out with nothing, found that you're a self-made man. Oh. Now I'm right on time, then we all go cool. Slap you on the back and say, please, yeah, please. All right.
Let's do it for the fabulous Defection.
That's what it's all about. Different styles of music. And at this time, with a great big round of applause, let's welcome to Congo Square, 1992, Moana and the Mohunters.
Well, this is it, the New Orleans Jazz and Heritage Festival. And after all that support from the Neville whānau, hey, we were pretty confident that we could put on a good performance and at least raise a few eyebrows. Nothing's gonna keep us from soaring higher. Nothing's gonna keep us down. Nothing's gonna keep us from soaring higher. Nothing's gonna keep us down. Nothing gonna keep us. Nothing gonna keep. Nothing gonna keep us down. Nothing gonna keep us. Nothing gonna keep us down. Kia ora. The festival first started in 1970. There are now 10 stages and thousands of performers. And a man who was there right from the start was festival director Quint Davis. Alrighty. So is it
what it is and what it's of, you know, the heritage of jazz. We do limit it to a very few special guests a year in our different musical categories and people that are important. I mean, we are sort of the keeper of the flame. You are the living embodiment of what this festival is and what this festival is about. And as people in generations who relate to a cultural heritage, a tradition of music, and have, you know, maintained in their career those ties to that culture. And that's what we are, and that's what we're about, and that's why we're happy to have you.
it a try. 'Cause if you wanna try to love again, baby, I'll try to love again, but I know first cut is the deepest. Baby, I know first cut is the deepest. Comes to being lucky, he's first. But when it comes to loving me, she's worst.
Boom, baby. Watch the rider down in the underground, living it up with the faction. No blind on the boat, 'cause man be overlap me. Why she there? I don't know. It's not a memory. So Tony T, link it up for the money line.
Down in the boondocks. Down in the boondocks. People put me down. That's the side of town I was born in.
Watch the rider one time.
I love her. She loves me. I don't fit her society. God have mercy on a boy down in the boondocks.
Here it is, man.
Every night I watch the lights from the house up on the hill. I love a little girl who lives up there, and I guess I always will. But I don't dare knock on her door, 'cause her daddy is my boss man. So I'll just have to be content to see her whenever I can. Down in the boondocks. Down in the boondocks. People put me down. That's the side of town I was born in.
We only been in our audience time.
And I love her. She loves me. I don't fit her society. God have mercy on a boy from down in the boondocks.
Living up for them one time.
One day I'll find a way to move from this old child. I hold my head up like a king, and I never will look back. Until that day I'll work and slave, save up every dime. Tonight she'll have to steal away to see me one more time. Down in the boondocks. Down in the boondocks. People put me down. That's the side of town I was born in. I love her. She loves me. I don't fit her society. Lord have mercy on a boy from down in the boondocks. Oh yeah.
Down in the boondocks, give me on the wine. Room the love because the love ain't fine. Jumpy like the love me go. Remember the love, but they could understand me. Whiny like I'm trying to tease me. Turn away, man, like you never displeased. So believe me, on the young, we're not there. 20 and the action, ready, man.
We got lights down, and I'm not fool, but I don't have to worry. Catch me when I fall. I got my pride. Whoa, I got my pride.
road. They cross that evil line today. And how can you ask me about tomorrow when we ain't got one word to say? And what in the world's come over you? And what in heaven's name have you done? Because you've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Whoa, you're out there running just to be on the run. Can't think of anything else but you. Tried to give it up like you wanted me to. Didn't wanna be hurt, didn't wanna be lonely. Couldn't help but love you the way I knew already. I can't let go, I can't get over. Don't you know, boy, you're my falling clover. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you down. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you down. It made no sense of the way that I'm feeling. I played my cards, but tell me who I'm feeling. I've never hurt you, never told you a lie. Stayed up all night just trying to figure out why I love you and you let go. Don't you know, boy, I will always love you. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you down. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you down. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you down. Take a little piece of my heart. Wrap it in love. Never in my mind I'll get you
You've got to make sure that the main subject's in that square. I think that's what we got to I've forgotten how the... Yeah, it's focusing now. Is it? Okay.
I saw Tim's face, that's why I said let me yell at you.
How can you actually go with it? There's a macro setting which I can... Okay, and then you turn that around.
Happy birthday to you.
Just because you have gone and left the party, it does not mean all the lights glow dim. The passion and the killing flame bring you to your knees again. Once more your resources are stretched thin. Don't count me in. Everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get. Everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get stoned. But I would not feel so alone. Everybody must get stoned. Everybody must get stoned.
'Cause when the slit somehow a person's head can turn as cold as ice. Hey, we are sick and tired of hearing your song, telling how you gonna take right from wrong. 'Cause if you really want to hear how to, you haven't done nothing. You done nothing. You haven't done nothing. Yeah. Hey, do-do-wop, rum-rum, do-do-wop. Hey, stand up for your people and say, do-do-wop. Yeah, do-do-wop. Do-do-wop, rum-rum, do-do-wop.
Now I'm lying here with Linda on my mind. Next to me, my soon-to-be, the one I've left behind. And Lord, it's killing me to see her cry. She knows I'm lying here beside her with Linda on my mind.
There's a dirt-colored cloud in the sky. It's about to break and scatter warm rain. Yellow lilies from you in my hand. I'm waving to you on that big old plane. And even though I know it's not goodbye, I've still got an ache inside when I count the miles between you and me, and the hours that I can't sleep, the seconds when I know you're gonna call, then the tears when the phone's back on the wall. I really miss you, baby, every time you leave, counting the things between you and me. You and me, counting.
Out cold on my feet, too tired to sleep, brain's gone to overload. The barman calls time, though I know he won't mind if I have one more just for the road.
familiar. North America, Somalia, the Horn of Africa. Sounds familiar. North America. Nigga know that, don't took around. Nigga know that, don't took around. Nigga know that, don't. Nigga know that, don't. Nigga know took around. From the S.O. M.I.L.A. And if I wasn't not to give it up for the Somalian niggas, cause I can feel the struggle on the anger, the hunger in my own good hood. No one suggest you don't judge me now, cause I'm focused now. I believe it easy for me to surrender now. Let me have what it is, bigger me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the jealousy and envy comes from my side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the jealousy and envy comes from my side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the jealousy and envy comes from my side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the jealousy and envy comes from my side. You wake up early every morning, gotta do the same old thing
Let's sing a Maori song. Won't take very long.
O ki mai e ta mama, ki roto, e ngā ringa e tu whera atu nei. Kei te kapa kapa mai, te haki, i ngā rangi runga tia mana e.
Hoki mai, ki te waka inga. E tutuki te tu manako.
Manako.
Ki te kapa kapa mai, te haki, o ngā rangi rungo tia mana e.
My daddy, he once told me, hey, don't you love you any man? Just take what they may give you, and give just what you can, and you'll sing in the sunshine. You'll laugh every day. You'll sing in the sunshine. Then you'll be on your way.
Love is bigger than the whole wide world. Love is more than what you put into words. When you're with me, we can feel just as one. 'Cause I know that you're in love with me. I know that you're in love with me.
When she walked beside the water, she cast no shadow on the sand. Like the sunlight failed to reach her, she left no footprints on the land. How her heart yearns and longs for better days, and all her thoughts seem to ever want to say, just this once, don't think I didn't love you. Just this once, don't say I never told you. Just this once, know that I once loved you, once upon a time. Oh yeah, once upon a time. So I'm bidding farewell to my heart. Someone tell, you gave it all that you got, or a dream that was not. I never wanted to be. Settle down here with me. No one else there to blame.
this was my losing game. And even though I feel empty, there are reasons aplenty for young lovers to shine. 'Cause it's their turn, not mine. Not saying I'm the strong one, I just fell for the wrong one. So may your dreams all come true, and you'll find love that won't leave you blue. If anyone ever finds a better way to love, it'll be her loving me. If anyone ever goes out of their way to show they care, it'll be her loving me. She's every woman that I've ever known rolled up in one. And if I'm ever loved anymore, she'll be the one to get it done the way it should be. It'll be her loving me. If ever I'm down and out and need someone to love, yes, it'll be her loving me. If ever I'm in the cold and I need someone warm to hold, it'll be her loving me. She's every woman that I've ever known rolled up in one. And if I'm ever loved anymore, she'll be the one to get it done the way it should be. Yes, it'll be her loving me.